This workshop is extremely important for the cost-efficient operation of machines made by Plasser Theurer. From here, original spare parts and wearing parts are sent all over the world. The logistics behind this service is impressive. Just 3 figures. Plasser Theurer offers around 1 million different original spare parts and wearing parts. More than 50,000 spare parts are permanently in stock. And every year, over 7 million parts are dispatched. The assortment ranges from highly sensitive electronic controls and mechanical parts to complete installation sets, an unbelievable diversity. It is also interesting to know that this department dispatches original parts for machines that have been in operation for several decades. You might assume that the greatest challenge for the dispatch department is how to manage the huge quantities, but that is not the case. Far more, it is how to transport the quality goods to the customer at the most cost-favorable price without any loss in quality. No matter whether the goods are transported by railway, lorry, aircraft or ship. Let's take this transport crate. Specially treated wood is used so that no pests travel with the goods. Plasser Theurer has a separate certification for this. And of course, transport by ship demands additional measures to be taken. For example, this aluminium foil, which is used to line the crate to protect the contents against salt water and moisture. Or steel parts such as these. They are treated with anti-corrosive agents because they are often in transit for very long periods and sometimes under unfavorable conditions. Or, after arrival, are stored for a long time on the customer's premises. It is vital to ensure the quality and to keep the transport costs as low as possible. The packing specialists at Plasser Theurer therefore make sure that the packing weight is kept as low as possible. As regards the costs, it is also important to choose the right carriers. Plasser Theurer works on principle with different carriers. On the one hand, to obtain the best price on the market, but also to utilize the individual advantages of each firm depending on the region and the logistic task. Quality and cost-effectiveness, 2 topics that have priority for Plasser Theurer. Quality and cost efficiency dominate the daily work of the specialists who work here in the dispatch department of the Plasser Theurer original spare parts and wearing parts.